Hello guys, I'm here back with a brand new video, and I'm not that, loud and active because my dad is apparently sleeping and I have to be quiet. And I apparently found something weird about that thing, and I'm gonna show you. It's apparently very weird. Yeah, this. What is this? This, yeah. Is this a, I'm not gonna say it. Yeah. AJ, you better see this video. This is so inappropriate. Anyways, back to the video. So, apparently, AJ is getting a bit boring for me. Even though it's very fun for kids like me, it's kind of boring. So I might quit next year, but I still want to make videos. So I'm just gonna make videos this year. And my dad is getting mad at me because I always go on my laptop on Animal Jam. Obviously, Animal Jam is my life, but I still love my dad more than Animal Jam. So apparently next year I'm not gonna play Animal Jam because it's still I'm addicted to it. So yeah, my dad just found out that I am addicted, in love with my laptop. Yes, it's very horrible. I'm very sorry this is gonna have to happen. But next year I'm not gonna make videos. I'm not gonna play Animal Jam because my dad, I already told you, my dad is mad, sad, angry, stressed. Because he said, that I used to play with him a lot, and then when he got me my laptop, he's like, I don't play with him anymore. So apparently I want time with my dad. And yeah, I'm still making videos this year, but when it's summertime, I'm not going to make videos. I'm gonna have to hang out with my family. And I'm sorry for you to hear this, but yeah, it's gonna have to happen. I don't want my dad to be alone. Apparently, I have to take care of him because he's very old. He's like 48. Yeah, and when he's 50, he's gonna when he's 50, he's gonna have heart attacks. Apparently, that's what the doctor said to him. So I gotta take care of him a lot. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and comment. Anyways, bye. Oh my god, the button's not working. You know what that means. I am a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. So fantastic, everything's plastic. Oh my god, they blocked it. I'm just gonna sing. Let's go Barbie, let's go Barbie. Ooh, oh, yeah! Never live without Barbie.